We're around the middle of this Christmas month, and I know that usually by now I'm feeling quite fatigued. So I'm always looking for something that can just boost my energy just a little bit. So the first thing I like to do is tapping. So you can use your hand and just gently tap, like tapping a baby, like a little pats. You can use your fingertips and just tap. Or you can even use something like a spiky ball to help you tap. And just tap whichever part of your body is feeling that little bit stressed, even tapping your whole body. Yeah, so tapping your arm, tapping your ribs, tapping your low back. Now the low back can be a little bit tricky, but you can use soft fists and just tapping your low back. You can tap your butt, tap your hips, tap your legs. And then just checking in with your body and seeing how that feels. And it's amazing how energized and alive you feel.